Good morning. I'm making pancakes for breakfast. Helena's taking a nap. Hopefully by the time the pancakes are done, she'll be awake. We can have breakfast together. I'm having blueberry pancakes, but she's just gonna have blueberries because I don't want to give her the pancakes because there's an egg in the pancakes and that could be bad. She didn't wake up in time. I had to eat breakfast all by myself. All by myself. It was so sad. She's having blueberries now. You having breakfast now? It was yummy. We're gonna have to get you something other than blueberries. We'll go to the store today and buy her something other than blueberries. Those are her favorite though. Don't give me that look. We'll get you something other than blueberries. Okay? Want to try something else yummy? Maybe we'll go to Target today or something else delicious. I'm just watching her eat. And I'm ordering all kinds of baby proofing stuff off Amazon because she's mobile now. So she's gonna be getting into everything. Huh? If you're anything like your father, you're gonna be a troublemaker. I made Helena a box out of floor tiles. I made you a box to crawl inside of. Don't break it, please. Ah, don't break it. It's not the most secure structure in the world. Huh? You're supposed to crawl inside. Crawl inside of it. Is that cool? Those are the same things that are on this, but you want those ones. Oh, this one's much more easy to reach. You're gonna tear your house down. You got it!
What's she doing in there? This is her fort. It's like where you were born. Or where you were chilling. Is that like the womb? A lot more room though.
Maybe. Hi, Philip. Maybe we won't be going to Target. It's raining pretty bad. I don't know if you can really tell on the camera, but it's raining pretty bad. I love the rain, but I love Target too. Quite the dilemma. Probability of rain, 14%. 14%, huh?
We're locked in now.
We live here now, see? It's like a castle! It's like, oh boy, it's our foothouse! Dog, diggity dog. We're splitting the seams. We're pulling some teeth. Pretty sure that's not how it goes. You know you have a kid and you watch too much Paw Patrol when you try and figure out what kind of pup you would be. They decided that I would be like, my truck, my vehicle would be the food truck. I would have a food truck and Josh would be like a bad pup.
A bad pup.
He'd be like the villain pup. And so we even went as far as to looking up to see what kind of dogs we would be. and I got a Saint Bernard, and it said I was like affectionate and family oriented and stuff, which is accurate, and like helping people. And Josh got a poodle, which he comes off kind of snobby, but that's just because he's so good at everything. So that's what we did with our night. And we did a personality quiz for Philip too. We filled out the questionnaire for him. I think we did it pretty accurately. And it said if he was a dog, he would be a Chihuahua. So there's that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Philip, be a Chihuahua? A Chihuahua? The end.
The end.